Attention, small businesses. Are you ready to transform your video content into digital gold? Discover the alchemist secret to crafting videos that captivate, engage, and convert. It's not about shooting and uploading. It's about striking the perfect blend of storytelling and visual appeal that turns viewers into devoted fans and customers. Each frame is an opportunity to showcase your brand, your business brand. Learn how to polish your footage and into a narrative that people want to share with each other. It's time to cast your brand in gold and let your videos do the glittering. Keep connecting your energy and adding value. I'm Kerry Ruff.